Hey all, Miss Saunders here. Today we're going to be learning how to access EdPuzzle assignments via Google Classroom. EdPuzzle is a video platform that we use to ask you guys questions as you watch a video, but it allows you to work at your own pace and watch a video independently instead of having to do it as a whole class or together as a group. So first things first, when you're in Google Classroom, you always want to view whatever assignment you're working on. Make sure, oh, yep, got it. Make sure that you've read all the instructions for the assignment. And then when you're ready to start the EdPuzzle assignment, in this case, you're going to click on the EdPuzzle link that's attached to the Google Classroom assignment. That's going to open a new tab in your browser. So you'll have an EdPuzzle tab, and you'll still have the Google Classroom tab if you need to go back and look at the instructions. You're going to click Sign In with Google. If you have any other options, don't choose them. Choose Sign In with Google. If you have more than one Gmail account, like Ms. Saunders does, you want to make sure that you choose your student account at bronxdalehs.org. If you have any personal Gmail accounts, don't choose those because they won't be linked to your EdPuzzle account. The only email that's going to be linked to your EdPuzzle account is your student account at bronxdalehs.org. So I'm going to click on that account, and it's going to go ahead and sign me in. So I've got the assignment, and I'm ready to press play and start watching. As you are watching the EdPuzzle assignment, a couple different things might pop up on your screen. One thing that might pop up is a note. This might be something that your teacher is asking you to write down. It might be extra information. It could also just be outside resources. In this one, the text that is blue, that's a hyperlink that's going to connect you to an outside resource. So if you click on those kinds of things, you'll get extra information. Once you're done reading the note and doing whatever it is the note tells you to do, you click continue and the video automatically starts playing for you again. Things that might pop up as you're watching the EdPuzzle video are multiple choice or short answer questions. If a question pops up, make sure you read the question, then check your answer or type in your short response answer, click submit, and oftentimes you'll get feedback. It'll tell you if you're right or wrong and tell you how to improve. And then once you've read that, go ahead and click continue and then just finish watching the video. When you're done watching the video, you shouldn't need to submit anything on EdPuzzle. But once you're done watching the EdPuzzle video, it is important that you then go back to Google Classroom and make sure there's nothing else you have to do for that particular assignment before you mark that assignment as done. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure to email your teachers.